In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check leaderboards by category on chess.com, step by step, so you can quickly find the top players in Blitz, Bullet, Rapid, and other time controls. This is a really useful feature if you want to compare ratings, follow strong players in a specific category, or just explore chess.com more efficiently. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple walkthroughs just like this. All right, let's jump right in. To get started, open your browser and go to chess.com. Once you're on the site, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll want to hover over the section labeled Community. This opens up a menu with different options related to chess.com's social and competitive features. From that menu, click on Leaderboards. This is the page where chess.com organizes the top-rated players across different categories. After the Leaderboards page loads, you'll see several category tabs near the top. These are the time control categories, such as Blitz, Bullet, and Rapid. Each tab shows the highest-rated players in that specific category. So if you want to see who's strongest in Blitz, simply click the Blitz tab. If you want fast-paced games, check Bullet. And if you want longer, more strategic games, choose Rapid. As you click between the tabs, the leaderboard updates automatically, so you can compare rankings across categories without needing to search manually. This makes it easy to see which players are leading in each format, and it's also a great way to discover top-rated opponents, streamers, or players to study from. If you want to go a little deeper, you can keep switching between the leaderboard categories and observe how the rankings change depending on the time control. That's especially helpful if you're trying to understand where players specialize and how performance can differ from one format to another. Chess.com keeps this process simple, so you can explore the data in just a few clicks. And that's really all there is to it. To recap, hover over Community in the left sidebar, click Leaderboards, and then select the time control tab you want to view. In just a few seconds, you can check the top players in each category on chess.com. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.